Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Interesting GK facts. Where is the longest wall in the world? Option A, India. B, China. C, America. D, Russia. Answer is B, China. Which food is essential for increase the eyesight? Option A, carrot. B, fish. C, egg. D, spinach. Answer is A, carrot. Which country wearing yellow clothes was banned? Option A, Germany. B, Japan. C, Malaysia. D, Singapore. Answer is C, Malaysia. Which is the hottest country in the world? Option A, Africa. B, Australia. C, China. D, Kuwait. Answer is D, Kuwait. Which country eats the spiciest food? Option A, India. B, Nepal. C, Sri Lanka. D, Mexico. Answer is A, India. What was the name of the first robot that spoke Hindi? Option A, Sophia. B, Reshma. C, Roshni. D, Rashmi. Option is D, Rashmi. Which animal's DNA is most similar to human DNA? Option A, dog. B, cat. C, chimpanzee. D, monkey. Option is C, chimpanzee. In which sport that yellow card is used? Option A, football. B, tennis. C, hockey. D, cricket. Answer is A, football. How many days does a butterfly live? Option A, 15 days. B, 10 days. C, 12 days. D, 17 days. Answer is A, 15 days. Which country bought Mahatma Gandhi's glasses? Option A, France. B, USA. C, Italy. D, England. Answer is B, USA. In which river diamonds are found? Option A, Ganga river. B, Krishna river. C, Kaveri river. D, Bhagini river. Answer is D, Bhagini river. Where is the blue sapphire found? Option A, Nepal. B, Japan. C, Africa. D, Sri Lanka. Answer is B, Japan.